In this episode, we will talk about the revision feature of WordPress. The revision feature allows us to go back to previous iterations of our post. Every time we click the Save Draft, or if this is a previously published post, the Update button, the previous revision is saved in the WordPress database. If we so choose, we can go back any number of revisions by simply clicking on the Browse next to our revision button in the Publish section of our post. When we browse, it shows us the different versions in raw HTML. So if we wanted to, we can go back to different versions by simply sliding the slider, and you can see how the revisions are changing, and it shows us what was added or what was deleted. So for example, if we return to the editor, we can say credit where credit is due only if you deserve it. And we can save the draft. Now if we preview the draft, you'll notice that we have our post with our new title. If we decide, that we don't like that title and we want to go back to the original one, all we have to do is go back one slide. You can see where the revision we're using is from 2 weeks ago, the last time I did a episode using this particular post. And you can see that right here, our heading 2 is only credit where credit is due, not only if you deserve it. So we want to restore this version. We just click the Restore This Version button. So now you'll notice our post, we're back to our old title. We do the preview and we look at it, and it's our old title. This is quite a handy feature, especially if you have multiple people editing a post or a page, or you have done this over the course of several weeks like I have, and you may have gone down a road that you don't like and you want to back it out. So you can go back to this Browse button at any time, whether the post has been published or not, and then simply go find the version you want and restore to that version. There's another handy feature is you can compare any two versions. So if we wanted to compare that version, the latest version, with the first version, we can do that. You can see all the different features or different text that's been added. Or in this case, there's not that much. So that is how we can use the revisions functionality of WordPress. Thanks.